To find derivative of our function, we will use formula when we have derivative of log base a of u with respect to x is equal 1 over natural log of a times 1 over u times derivative of our u function with respect to x. So in our case, a is equal 4, u is equal x. Now we need derivative of our u function with respect to x. Derivative of u is equal, derivative of x is just 1. Now we have to substitute, so derivative of our function y with respect to x is equal 1 over natural log of 4 times 1 over x times derivative of our x is 1. So this is equal 1 over natural log of 4 times x. This is my solution.